Come test drive the 2021 Audi e-tron. The Audi e-tron is an electronic crossover that's just the right size for all your driving needs. Loaded with interior technology features, the e-tron will remind you that you're in a cutting-edge vehicle and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, panoramic roof, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, power lift gate, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights. Come take a test drive today.